Howdy folks, how are we doing? Well, the fast track as you can see, but on the back, yeah, we've got the rake on. We are off to do a bit of silage. Yeah, first bit of silage this year, being it's the second week of April. But it's not, you wouldn't say it's sort of proper silage. It's well, it is proper silage, but it's not proper silage. Basically, it's a field we overseeded last year for the farmer. It's got quite a bit of chickweed in it, so he wants it. You know, you could either top it or you could cut it and bale it up to get rid of the chickweed, to allow the grass to overtake it. So we're doing the latter. The farmer's mowed it. We're gonna rake it, bale it, and wrap it. So just clear it. So it's come on, mate. Come on, I'm flashing you. Yeah, but it's a good opportunity for us to check the kit out, make sure the kit all works. Oh, bloody another one now. Come on. Yeah, it's a good opportunity to make sure the kit works. You know, the bale wrapper works, the baler's gonna do what it needs to do. So yeah, always good to get the so I'm just having to concentrate here a bit. It's a bit tight here. Oh, what's that tree? Yeah, it's always a good opportunity to get the kit out before you want to use it in anger. Cheers, thank you. Before you really get stuck into it, and then you can, if you've got a problem, it's no bad, it's no big thing. You can sort it out before you need to get stuck in big time. Thank you. Anyway, enough of me waffling on. Let's get to the field. Right, well, let's unfold this. It's a bit of string that does the latches. Often people ask me why you've got a bit of string. There we go. Still ain't got the other one. There you go. That's got it. Just releases the transport locks. We'll choose a PTO. We'll go 540 Eco. Of course, it don't take a lot of powering. You want low range. Stick it in power shift. Let's fire it up. Super smashing. Right, let's get raking. There ain't going to be a lot of it, so it's sort of a clearance job, but like I say, it's a good opportunity to check the kit all works. Oh, there's the baler combination. Got the 724 on the front, and the baler is, if you remember from last year, is a V660, so it's a variable chamber belt baler. works alright. He's done one. All looks good. Alright. Oh, we're getting on quite nicely now. Had a few teething problems with the baler. Basically, the net wrap wasn't holding the bowl when it come out of the baler. So when it was forming in the forming in the baler all right. Net was going around it, holding it. As soon as it was coming out the back, the net wasn't holding it. So we sort of upped it and then upped it again. And yeah, working a treat now. Working a treat. Up ahead we've got the Fendt 516 with the Macau 991. That is actually the new 516. It's done about 50 hours, that has. So yeah, my tractor's now the oldest tractor we've got. She's done 2,000 hours. So there's one of them, as you can see. So it was fine as it came out the back. As soon as it sort of hit the ground, it give up the ghost. So I've got to sort them out before we're done. Right, so we're about done. I'm sorting out these broken barrels. Just got to fold this up. Might be able to do it sort of one-handed with you. Sorted. Knock you off a minute. We will just have a quick look at the baler in action, and indeed the wrapper. As you can see, it's a lot of weed in it, so this will help stimulate the grass to get on. Not too bad about considering the crop. It's a nice looking rig. Say this is the new 516 on about 50 hours, something like that. do look a lot better in the harvest screen. I didn't think the old sort of dark colour was very good. It didn't look as nice. Not as nice as that does anyway. Oh, well, there you go. Enjoyed that quick little taster of grass 2019. Like I said earlier in the video, it's nice just to give the machines a bit of a workout, and you can find out the little foibles from them being stored all winter, and let you sort them out if you've got any before you get going mad, like I'm sure you will in probably a month or so, whatever. So there we go. I hope you can hear me all right, because the wind's blowing fair well. Charlie's about done. We'll get saddled up, get out of here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that quick vid, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ta!